Hello students, welcome to the new video. Hope you all are doing well. Today we study chapter number 1, stoichiometry, all definitions. So let's start the video without wasting time. In this video we discuss mole, Avogadro number, atomic number, molar volume, percentage yield, theoretical yield, practical yield or actual yield, significant figure, rounding of data, exponential notation, limiting reactant. Definition number 1, which is mole. Atomic mass, molecular mass or formula mass of substance when expressed in gram is referred to 1 mole of that substance. Formula: number of moles is equals to given mass in gram divided by molar mass of substance. Definition number 2, Avogadro number. The number of particles, atoms, ions, molecules present in 1 mole of any substance is called Avogadro number. Formula: number of particles is equals to number of moles multiplied by Avogadro number. Definition number 3, atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus, which is also equal to the number of electrons surrounding the nucleus of the atom. It is denoted by Z. Definition number 4, molar volume. The volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas of STP. STP, standard temperature pressure, occupy a volume of 22.4 liters or 22.400 milliliters. Definition number 5, percentage yield. It is the present ratio of practical yield and theoretical yield. Formula: percentage yield is equals to practical yield divided by theoretical yield multiplied by 100. Definition number 6, theoretical yield. It is the maximum amount of product produced by balanced chemical equation. Definition number 7, practical yield or actual yield. It is the amount of product produced during an experiment. Practical yield is always less than theoretical yield. Definition number 8, significant figure. The reliable digit in a number in which the last digit remain uncertain with plus minus 1. Rounding of data. To reduce the value up to desired significant figure is called rounding of data. Definition number 10, exponential notation. A method of simplifying the very large or very small number in an integral power often is called exponential notation. Definition number 11, limiting reactant. The reactant which produced least amount of product is called limiting reactant. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If this video can help you, so kindly like, comment, share and subscribe.